couple. They work on the mountains. Wife takes lunch every day, walking many kilometers, steep peaks, reaches husband, hand over hot lunch for hard-working husband. This is the regular schedule for that beautiful wife and a hard-working, wonderful man. One day, when she was taking this lunch, she slipped and fell from the peaks. She lost her life. That has shattered that man. He struggled. He struggled to save his wife, carrying the wife to the nearby hospital, but mountains and peaks. There is no road to go to the nearby city. That made him think of making a road where he can reach the nearby city. This is a true story of great man of determination, Manji, the mountain man. My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another motivation. Great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance. Great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance. We see great perseverance in this wonderful, simple man, mountain man, Manji. I have watched his film. It has touched my heart. Manji, it took 22 years. With a small hammer and chisel, he made a path through those big mountain to cover that 55 kilometers road to make it into 15 kilometers. Where is the 55 kilometers? Where is 15 kilometers? When he started this work, people laughed at him, mocked at him. They all thought he's gone mad because he lost his wife. They all thought this man can never achieve because it's a huge, Hercules task. It's not easy to take a hammer and chisel and make a road through the mountain rocks to cut short a road so that you can go near it. It is in Bihar state. It's true story. It has taken 1960 to 1982. 22 years. His work is only one thing. Early in the morning, he used to sleep there only, in the grass. He used to take the hammer, chisel, make the path. People used to laugh at him. Some used to help, some used to give little food, some used to give little water, but many used to laugh at him. Stop this. Why to do this? When can you do? Only government has to come with big cranes, big machinery, so that they can, make a path through these hard, rocky mountains. He didn't depend on anyone. He believed in his perseverance. Perseverance is strong determination, grit, not giving up till he achieves what he wants. Not by strength. He's a frail man, weak man, a common man. He's a common, ordinary man. But what made him strong? His perseverance, his determination, his resolution to make this path through this mountain so that it is a shortcut, not 55 kilometers going round, but 15 kilometers everyone can reach nearby hospitals, because wife died as lack of medication when she fell from these peaks. Determination, perseverance. Great works are performed. Great. Those who mock, those who look for opportunities of others that they come in their way, they all get adjusted with the simple and mediocre kind of work. They compromise easily because they are not ready to have that determination and perseverance. Only the one who persevere, only the one who cling to the work what he's supposed to, in spite of so much of oddities, in spite of so much of the kind of discouragement, the kind of mockery you face, the kind of resentment. People will come the minute you start something. When Noah started building an ark, when he obeyed God's commandment saying that it is going to rain for 40 days a night, floods, heavy rain, people laughed when Noah is making such a huge ark, a big ship. He laughed, they all laughed. But when the rain started, everybody wants to get into the ark, but there's no place. He, with determination, perseverance, he had clinged to his work. Manji also, one of the greatest human being during these centuries, who really shown the successful, determined, persevered story. I want everybody to think of it. Great works are performed not by strength. If we think if we are strong enough, if we have all the machinery, manpower, we can achieve anything, you are mistaken. We can achieve only when you are determined. We can achieve only when you have the perseverance. We can achieve only when you resolute, when you are strong, when you take it up. In spite of so much of things which against the currents. They come against to us. Still, we need to move forward against the currents of life. I want everybody to think of perseverance always help us to achieve and get great works to be performed. Think of this wonderful thing during this season for reason. Before we could get into the new year, have some resolutions. Strong resolutions. On January 1st only we will have something against coming up. But still, cling on to it. Walk with it. Go forward with it. No one can stop us when we have that perseverance, when we determined to do it. Think of it. Be blessed. Have a nice day.